Yo, this is Andy. This is part 2 of the opening video. My camera just stopped recording because we reached the limit for a video. Dream Devourer, and the Azeka's Chariot. Cute little kitties. Art card. Rune of Sustenance. Rune of Flight. Magda, Brazen Outlaw. And a Finn the Fang Barrier. Alternate art. Very nice looking. A foil raider. No list card. Glittering Frost art card, very nice. Crown, Rune of Speed, Cyclone Summoner, it's rare. Cosima, God of Voyage, and a nice alternate art card. Let's show the Cosima first. The Flip Vehicle. God, nice card. And the alternate art card, very nice looking. And the foil Wings of Cosmos. No list card. Some dwarfs. Full art, Kaldheim Unleashed, Mythic. That's very nice. One, two, three, four, five, 6 Mythics so far. And a Call the Forge Master alternate art foil. List card this time. Big, big, big. Foil Snow Covered Swamp. Nice. Nico Defies Destiny. Faceless Haven rare. Third Land Elementalist. Shimmerdrift Whale foil. And the list card Crown of Empires from M12. We have 5 packs left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. So I'm pretty happy with the mythics. I'm still hoping for another rare or mythic list card. Maybe in this pack there's a list card. Foil Snow-Covered Island. And we already spoiled it. Skald is also not in the regular packs. World Tree, the rare, that's nice. I was hoping to get at least one of them in the box. Frostbite. Carfell Kennelmaster foil and Godsire Mythic. 8 mana, Vigilance, 8/8. Put an 8/8 beast creature token into the play that's red, green, and white for tapping it. That's a mythic list card. I don't know how I should feel about that. It's not a big hitter, but yeah, maybe see some commander play. And the rest of the box, besides the list, was also not bad. But we have some packs left. Maybe we get something good out of them. Gilded Assault card. Also not in the regular packs. Calamity Barrier. One of the giants. Cleaving Reaper. Also not in the regular packs. And Into the North, list card from Cold Snap. Search your library for a Snowland card and put it into play tapped. Then shuffle your library. I'm sure to see some place somewhere. In Commander at least. The Kaya art card. No list card this time. Armed and Armored. Also not in the regular packs. Bearded Axe. Also not a regular card from the set. Like Giant's Grasp. 3 cards not from the regular draft booster boxes in this pack. Oh, a land. That's nice. It's the second land we got from this box. Second rare flip land. And a Bergstrider foil. List card this time. I try not to spoil it. Oh, that's a very nice looking art card. Mountain. Not from the regular set. A Saga. Elvish Warmaster is the rare. Toralf, God of Fury. The mythic, another mythic. We are getting good and a lot of mythics out of this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 8 mythics so far. Struggle the Scamfar foil. and a Fonmori Nomad from Future Sight or Planar Chaos. I don't know exactly, but with the old full art frame. Very nice. And the last pack. Let's rub it for some luck. And maybe we get a list card? No. Vega art card. Very nice looking. Planes. Eagar, the Freezing Flame. As the rare, Glimpse the Cosmos, Frostpire, King Nafi's Betrayal, another rare, and a foil Demon Bolt. That's it. So, not the biggest list pulls, but we got some decent playable rares. Now let me show you the list cards first. 1, 2, into the north. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 list cards and 1 mythic and 1 rare. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mythics. That's pretty good for a box. That's a lot more than you get in a draft booster. And the alternate art cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. And we also got our foil rares. 3 of them, and 1 is alternate art. Toski. And the foil Doomscar, also a decent hit. So that's it with the opening. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.